When it comes to storing and transporting tools, it is crucial to find a solution that is secure, easy to use, and that enables you to make the most out of the space that you have available. We have decided to address those needs, and today I am delighted to present to you the new PACKOUT Racking System. The PACKOUT racking shelves are compatible with vertical and horizontal e-tracks. These can be mounted on the wall in the garage, shop, or the back of your vehicle for maximum versatility. Of course, they are fully compatible with all PACKOUT items, boxes, organizers, and soft storage. Each racking shelf is equipped with quick-release levers. These allow for easy mounting, height adjustment, and removal of the shelves from the e-track. The PACKOUT racking shelves have been designed to be extremely durable. The body is constructed with impact-resistant polymers that we already use in all our other PACKOUT products. Additionally, the frame has been metal reinforced to provide extra strength. Thanks to that, each shelf can support a weight of up to 22 kilograms. And to ensure an even more secure connection, each shelf is supplied with a set of shoring screws. These will prevent rattling and keep the contents secure during transport. The racking shelves and e-tracks are available for sale individually, or you can purchase them as a kit comprised of 2 shelves and 2 50cm lengths of the vertical e-track. Either used wherever you keep your tools or when transported in a van, the racking system brings a whole new dimension to the PACKOUT range, allowing you to organize and safely transport your favorite modular storage system.